Last night I drove 350 kilometers east from Kerkini, and I've come to a place on the Turkish border called the Forest of Dadia, which is the forest that you can see hopefully down below there. And this area is known for its raptors, and it boasts 36 out of the 39 European species of raptor exist here. And in particular this morning I've come up here to this highest point because I'm after some very specific birds. And if I tell you that I'm waiting for the thermals to kick in just as the sun rises, in the hope that we might get a viewing of them, you'll probably guess that I'm after vultures. And in particular there's 3 vultures that live here, or 2 are permanently resident and 1 is a sun visitor. It's the Griffon Vulture, Black Vulture and the Egyptian Vulture. And these peaks around here are known roosting spots, and hopefully in the early morning we'll get some thermal action and we should get them flying overhead. And in this location they come pretty close as well, so I'm really hopeful we might get some really fantastic images and some videos for you. So all that remains is just to wait it out now. Hope the thermals will kick in a bit, and we should get some nice viewings. So I'll catch up with you then. That was a little bit of excitement. There was a couple of ravens and a falcon of some kind that looked like he was protecting his nest, but it's so far away I couldn't actually see what it was. At least I think it was a falcon. Could be sparrowhawk. I think sparrowhawk. Okay, something's just appeared. It's totally silhouetted against the sky, so I can't tell exactly what it is. It's a vulture. And it's appeared behind me. He's just appeared over the rock there. And the thing is, they don't call, totally silent, and I just happened to look around because a shadow came over me. And he's gone behind the rocks there now. Trying to track them at this distance is next to impossible. Just disappears from focus. It's so small in frame the camera can't pick him up. Couple over there flying really high as well. As fantastic a spot as this is for spotting them, because like I say, they do like to come up on the early morning thermals. The only problem with that is that I'm facing east, which is straight into the rising sun, which makes it a real challenge. And photographing here in the afternoon with the sun behind me from the west, which means that they would be lit up perfectly, is not an option, because they don't tend to soar around here in the afternoons, at least not from my experience at any rate. They tend to like the early morning thermals here. And just like that, they disappeared. But it is very hit and miss with these birds. There is no guarantee. But even that brief sighting is wonderful. Nothing for ages, and then all at once. And it's a choice of getting photos or video on these sort of things. I can't seem to get both. Especially with birds flying so high into the sun like that, the camera just wouldn't focus in video when it was in video mode. Oh, they're back again. So I got 2 out of the 3 vulture species so far, Black Vulture and Griffon, and I got photos, and I'm not sure what the video is going to look like. I hope at least there's a few seconds worth that I can show you, because they are just such magnificent birds. So after that flurry of activity, which lasted about 5 minutes in total, 10 at the most, after waiting for 3 hours, it's all gone. Oh, Egyptian vultures, Egyptian vultures. Fantastic. They're right above me though. Oh, come on. There's 3 of them. They're amazing. And I was about to say, I turned the vlogging camera on just to say that I was going to call it quits in a while, because after that flurry I didn't expect anything else to turn up. And just then I got 3 Egyptian vultures. Awesome. They're flying way over into the distance now. Fantastic. So anyway, I hope the video that I did get of it was in focus. It's difficult to tell off the back of the screen. I think I did get some decent shots, photos. Cool. Okay, so I got a couple of shots that are decent at any rate. What better way to spend the morning? Okay, I'll catch up with you in a little while. So I've been scanning the ridges, and I don't think that anything else is going to come along. Nothing has flown past since the Egyptian vultures flew off towards the plain down there. So I think I'm going to call it a video for now. Super successful morning, I think. We got all three vulture species, Griffon, Black and Egyptian Vulture, as well as a sighting. I don't think I managed to get any photos of him though, short-toed eagle, and also the sparrowhawk just up here on the rock, having a go at the ravens that were disturbing his nest, or her nest I should say, as I think it was a female. Yeah, so very happy with this morning's result. I hope you've enjoyed watching, and I hope to see you again very soon. Bye for now.